Do we say at night or we say in the night? Hello, how are you? Welcome to our lesson today. My name, as usual, is Coach Mustafe Lunalo, and today's lesson we're going to have a look at what we call preposition. Preposition is a bit challenging to some of my students, but don't worry, because today Mr. Mustafa is going to help you tackle that problem. Let us look at some of the preposition of today. We're going to look at the word on, that is in, on, and at. For example, I was born in 1995. Of course, we've got other uses. For example, we can say in the morning, in the afternoon. We can say in the evening. Look at the second example. We had our vacation in June. We had our vacation in June. We are going to have our vacation in June. Did you have your vacation last month? Did you have your vacation last month? If you're going to have your vacation next month, we can say we are going to have our vacation in February. Number 3, they traveled on. We don't say in. Some people say they traveled in Monday. I'm going to travel at Monday. No, we say they traveled on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. Another example, I shall see you on 1st June. I'm going to see you on 1st June. I'm going to play football on 23rd. Are you going to play football on 23rd? Maybe yes, maybe no. Next example, I usually have lunch at 2 o'clock. I usually have lunch at 2 o'clock. At is mostly used when you talk about time, at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, at 5 o'clock. We have at noon, midday, the one you call it dhuhr. We say at noon. We also say at midnight. That is when we are talking about time. Very good. Next example, Maimuna. Maimuna gave me a call at night. Maimuna gave me a call at night. So if somebody is talking about night, you can use the preposition at. On the whiteboard, there are 2 questions here that I want you to try. First question and the second question. Try this activity, put your answer on the comment section, and we're going to get back to you. Thank you so much today for joining me in this lesson. See you next in our lesson. Bye.